Hello everyone, Butterflies in Space. Joe here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of this here eardrum-friendly, noiseless hearing aid. So let's see what we got. It says it's eardrum-friendly, noiseless, better and clearer USB charging, adjustment-free, compact size, adjustable volume, long time standby. User manual. So it says there's 5 different volume levels. So here's the case, and these are hearing aids. Let's try it. Wow, I definitely hear a difference in sound. Let's try touching it again. And it definitely got louder as well. And even louder.